Hello plant lovers, today I am going to give information about another beautiful scented plant, that is Hymenocallis litoralis, commonly known as beach spider lily. These are not true lilies, but they have stunning flowers and attract pollinators. Spider lilies are resilient, long-lived perennials with different varieties. They have potential medicinal properties. The soil should be well draining. They thrive in moist, fertile soil but do not like to be waterlogged. Prefer full sun to partial shade. Bloom in full sun profusely. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the growing season. Overwatering leads to bulb rot. It needs balanced, slow release fertilizer when new growth begins. Remove spent flowers, prevent seed formation, which can drain the plant's energy. Propagation through bulbs. Store the bulbs in a cool, dry place or the winter and replant in the spring. Spider lilies are relatively pest and disease resistant. Hope you liked this video. Thank you.